Welcome to another episode of Cook Carter's Crappy Cramped Kitchen of Chaos.
For today, we're going to make a turmeric mango strawberry raspberry smoothie that's good.
Alright, today I'm going to make a mango turmeric strawberry raspberry smoothie. It's actually showcasing the turmeric, which you normally would think would be kind of a weird thing to put in a smoothie. And this one would serve 2 people. I'm going to use a cup of mango, fresh or frozen, a cup of milk, whatever kind of milk you want to use, half a cup of yogurt. I'm using Greek whole plain yogurt, 1/4 teaspoon of the turmeric, about 6 strawberries, and a 1/4 cup of raspberry, and blend it all up. Okay, so that's 1 cup of milk, 4 strawberries, 1/4 cup of raspberries, half a cup of yogurt, 1/4 teaspoon of the turmeric, a cup of mango, and maybe just a splash of vanilla. I use the smoothie setting on my Blend Tech. Here we go. I find a lot of the time that frozen fruits are not as sweet as you would expect or like, and I will add a little bit of honey or simple syrup. A simple syrup video, I have a link above or in my description if you want to know how to make that. Because like if you've ever gone to a Jamba Juice or any commercial place, you'll find a lot of times they're always consistently sweet, and that's because they add sugar to their mix. Yummy. Just a word regarding powdered turmeric or turmeric. All turmeric is definitely not the same. For example, you buy something like Costco for $3, a bigger container than this. This is 8 ounces. It tends to not taste very good. You don't know how fresh it is. It can be bitter, and you'll be like, I hate turmeric. Now this particular brand in wakaya, this comes from Fiji. This is not cheap, but this is harvested once a year, and it has a shelf life of 2 years, they say. And it by far tastes way better than a lot of other powdered turmerics I've ever had. And this 8-ounce container is about 150 servings at 1/4 teaspoon. If you'd like to help support my channel, I put a link in the description below for the turmeric. Good stuff. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if you care to, leave a comment. Thank you.